To the left, to the right, certain death. Go up the stairs, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Get me out of here. Clock's ticking. If you're new here, my name is Spencer, and I'm traveling to 100 countries. Along the way, I'll be sharing my adventures as well as some travel advice. So subscribe and come along. Good morning from the side of the road. And today we're going to be heading back to Chiang Mai. And there's a lot of twists and turns to see and a few stops along the way. So let's go. So we're going up to the Big Buddha PAI. It's got a Thai name. I would definitely butcher it. Go up the stairs, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Yeah, there's like a million of them. Going to be any stairs, just a little bit of a hill, but I guess that's to be expected when you're going to a canyon. Apparently I need to work on my fitness. I thought it was going to be super busy, but it's not so bad. To the left, to the right, certain death. I don't know if any of you know this, but I am not a fan of heights. So that was a little bit of a stretch for me. I think I'm just gonna fly the drone and explore that way. So switching to the drone, right? I feel like this morning made up for all the sitting on the bike since I've gone up and down all these stairs. Now, might not seem like all that much to everyone else, but as a big guy in 80-degree weather, not a great combination, turns out. But hey, I'd rather be here doing this than sitting at home, because that's what I would be doing otherwise. I'm gonna get back on the road, about 45 kilometers to the next turnoff, unless something else catches my eye along the way. Let's ride. Shit, I think it's a checkpoint. I really hope they don't have to look at my license. I think it expired today or last night. I'm really going through this guy's truck. I don't know what I'm gonna do if they stop me. Come on. There's a lot of soldiers here. Alright, do I need to pull over? No? Thank God.
Coming in hot. I don't know what happened. Oh. Okay. This could be a problem. So what can I do? Well, I guess I am doing it the old-fashioned way. Just following the road. Shit. That's frustrating. Well, this is probably a terrible idea, walking down a dark alley, but it seems like the fastest way to get to my hotel, so Godspeed. Made it down one dark alley, onto the second. I think the hotel is in sight. It's been a long day. Made it back to Chiang Mai, all the way from PAI. That means we have completed the Mae Hong Son Loop. Thank you all for coming along on this journey. It's been a lot of fun. So with that, travel safe, and I'll see you in the next one. I've got a real bad case of swamp ass.